To open a Moomoo account in Canada, start by visiting the Moomoo website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will need to verify your identity by providing your social insurance number and date of birth. This is a standard requirement for all brokerages in Canada to comply with Know Your Client regulations. Once your identity has been verified, you will be asked to fund your account. You can do this by linking your bank account or using a wire transfer. The minimum deposit required to open a Moomoo account is $1 Canadian. After your account has been funded, you can start trading stocks, options, and other investment products. Moomoo offers a user-friendly trading platform that allows you to easily buy and sell securities. It is also important to understand the fees associated with having a Moomoo account. Moomoo does not charge any management fees or trading commissions for most investment products. However, you may be subject to other fees such as exchange fees and regulatory fees. To get started with trading, you can download the Moomoo mobile app or access the platform through the website. The app allows you to trade on the go and provides real-time market data and news. In addition to the trading platform, Moomoo also offers a range of educational resources to help you improve your investment knowledge. These resources include video tutorials, webinars, and articles on various investment topics. Overall, opening a Moomoo account in Canada is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed online in a few minutes. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and fees associated with the account, you can start trading and investing with confidence.